Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our fun English learning. The more you practice your speaking English, the better you will do it. With me, Mr. Mariono, your English teacher. This time, I am going to explain about formal greeting, informal greeting and farewell, formal introduction, informal introduction, time, and telephone calls. I will read the dialogue once, and the second time I'm going to translate in our bahasa. My focus today is understanding the whole dialogue deeper. Formal greetings. This conversation between Mr. A and Mr. B. Good morning, Mr. Professor Austin. How are you doing? Good morning, James. I'm doing well. And you? I am great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please? Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I am more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week. It's a pleasure to meet you too, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your question. Di sini ada percakapan antara Tuan A dan Tuan B. Good morning, Professor Austin. Selamat pagi, Professor Austin. Karena kejadiannya di pagi hari. Kalau kejadiannya di sore hari, good afternoon. Oke, siang hari, good day. Malam hari, good evening. How are you doing? How are you doing? Nanyakan kabar. How are you? Sama saja artinya apa kabar? Good morning, James. Selamat pagi, James. I am doing well. And you? Saya baik-baik saja. Dan kamu? I am great, thank you. Saya baik-baik saja. Terima kasih. This is my friend. Ini teman saya, Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. Dia berpikir untuk kuliah di sini. She has a few questions. Dia memiliki beberapa pertanyaan. Would you mind telling us? Kasih tahu kita dong about the process, please. Mengenai prosesnya. Ada kata please di akhir kalimat atau di awal kalimat itu untuk menyatakan sopan. Hello, Emma. Halo, Emma. It's pleasure to meet you. It is pleasure to meet you. Boleh dibaca, it's pleasure to meet you. Senang bertemu dengan kau. I'm more than happy. Saya lebih bahagia to speak with you. Untuk bicara dengan kamu. Please stop by my office next week. Silakan ke kantor saya next week. Minggu depan. It's pleasure to meet you, Professor. Senang ketemu dengan kamu juga, Professor. Thank you so much. Terima kasih banyak for helping us. Untuk atau telah membantu kita. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. You are welcome. Terima kasih kembali. Hopefully, I will be able to answer the question. Harapannya saya bisa menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaanmu. Oke, formal greeting antara Profesor Austin dan James. Lihat, good morning. Note-nya, good morning. Selamat pagi. Kalau kejadiannya di pagi hari, good afternoon. Selamat sore. Good day, good evening, and good night. Good night itu kalau kita mau tidur, maka kita katakan good night. Good night. You are welcome. Sama-sama. Don't mention it. Sama-sama. No problem. Artinya juga sama-sama. Happy to help. Senang membantu. That's okay. Okay. That's fine. No worry. It has some meanings. Okay? The next one, informal greeting and farewell. Greeting yang informal dan farewell. Hi Helen, how is it going? Hi Helen, how is it going? Fine, thanks. And you? Just fine. Where are you off to? To the library. I've got history exam next week and need to start studying. Oh no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck. Thanks. See you later. Oke, kita coba untuk menerjemahkan ke bahasa Indonesia. Halo Helen, how is it going? Apa kabar? Fine, thank you. And you? Baik-baik saja, makasih. Dan kau? Baik juga. Where are you off to? Where are you off to? Mau kemana? Kau? To the library, ke perpustakaan. I've got history exam next week. Ya, saya memiliki got history exam. Ya, pelajaran sejarah minggu depan and need to start studying dan harus belajar. Oh no. Well, baiklah, I'll see you later then. I will see you later then. Sampai jumpa, sampai ketemu. Good luck, semoga beruntung. Thanks, makasih, see you later. Sampai jumpa nanti. Hi, hello, sama saja. How is it going? Sama dengan how are you? Where are you off to? Sama dengan where are you going to? Kemana mau pergi kemana? Oh no. Oh no di sini sama dengan artinya I understand you are not happy. Oke? Okay? Oh no. I understand you are not happy. Coba kita lihat dialognya. I've got history exam next week and need to start studying. Oh no. Oh no. I understand you are not happy. See you later. Goodbye. See you later and goodbye. Goodbye. The next one, formal introduction. Apa? Perkenalan yang formal antara Tuan A dan Mr. Tuan B. Mr. Wilson, I'd like you to meet Dr. Edward Smith. It's nice to meet you, Dr. Smith. Pleasure to meet you too. Dr. Smith is an economist. He just finished writing a book on international trade. Oh, that's my field too. I work for United Nations. In the development program, by any chance? Yes, how did you guess? I've read your article on technical assistant. They are excellent. Okay. Mr. Wilson, Tuan Wilson, I like you, saya ingin kamu, to meet, bertemu, Dr. Edward Smith. Dr. Edward Smith. It's nice to meet you, Dr. Smith. Senang ketemu dengan kau, Mr. Smith. Dr. Smith. Pleasure to meet you too. Nice to meet you, sama dengan pleasure to meet you. Senang bertemu denganmu, tuh juga. Dr. Smith is an economist. Dr. Smith adalah seorang ekonomis, ahli ekonomi. He just finished writing. Dia baru saja menyelesaikan menulis a book, sebuah buku pada perdagangan internasional, on international trade. Oh, that's my field too. Oh, itu bidangku juga. I work for United Nations. Saya bekerja untuk United Nations. In the development program, by any chance? Di bidang development program, kebetulan? Yes, how did you guess? Bagaimana kamu tahu? I've read your article. Saya telah membaca artikelmu on technical assistant pada assistant technical. They are excellent. Mereka luar biasa. Mereka hebat. Lihat, di note-nya I'd like itu singkatan dari I would like. I'd like sama dengan I would like. I want, saya ingin. By any chance, bacanya chance. Kalau change merubah. I change my mind, saya berubah pikiran. by any chance. The same as possibly. The same as possibly. It has some meaning. The next one, informal introduction. Ya, perkenalan yang tidak formal, informal ya. Who's the tall woman next to Barbara? That's her friend Mary. Didn't you meet her at tea party? No, I wasn't at tea party. Oh, then let me introduce you to her now. Mary, this is my friend Jim. Hi Jim, nice to meet you. You too. Would you like a drink? Sure, let's go get one. Let's go get one. Okay, we are going to translate in our bahasa. Who's the tall woman? Who's itu singkatan dari who is. Who is the tall woman? Siapa wanita yang tinggi itu? Next to Barbara, yang di sebelah Barbara. That's her friend Mary. Itu temannya Mary namanya. Didn't you meet her? Tidakkah kamu bertemu dia at Steve party, di pestanya Steve? Okay? No, I wasn't at Steve party. Tidak, saya tidak ada di pesta Steve party. Pestanya Steve. Oh, then let me introduce you. Yuk, saya kenalin kamu to her now, kepada dia sekarang. Mary, this is my friend Jim. Mary, ini teman saya Jim. Hi Jim. Hi Jim. Nice to meet you. Senang bertemu dengan kamu. You too. Kamu juga. Senang bertemu denganmu juga. Nice to meet you. You too. You too. You too itu singkatan dari nice to meet you too sebetulnya. Tapi untuk lebih singkat, you too artinya sama. Senang bertemu denganmu juga. Would you like a drink? Mau minum? Sure, let's get one. Let's go get one. Tentu. Silakan ambil satu. Let's go get one. Ambil. The next one. What time is it? What time is it? We are going to be late. It's 7:15. We are on time. Don't panic. But I thought we had to be at the restaurant by 7:30 for surprise party. We'll never make it there with all this evening traffic. So we will. Rush hour is almost over. Anyway, the party starts at 8, but do need help with direction. Can you call the restaurant and ask them where we park our car? Okay. What time is it? Jam berapa ini? We are going to be late. Kita akan telat. It's 7:15. Ini gaya Amerika. After, kemudian before, itu gaya Amerika. Jam 7:15. Ya. We are on time. Kita akan tepat waktu. Ada on time, tepat waktu. Misalkan acara dimulai jam 7:30. Mereka datang jam 7:30. On time. Ada in time. Acara jam 7:30, mereka datang jam 7. In time. Ada late. Acara dimulai pada jam 7:30, mereka datang jam 8. Itu late. Okay? Don't panic. Jangan panik. But I thought, tetapi saya pikir we had to be at the restaurant. Kita akan di restoran jam 7:30 for the surprise party, untuk pesta kejutan. We'll never make it there. Kita tidak pernah membuat itu di sana with all this evening traffic, dengan kejadian macet, evening traffic. So we will. Kita akan. Rush hour, jam sibuk. Rush hour itu jam sibuk. Is almost over. Hampir berakhir. Anyway, ngomong-ngomong, the party start at 8. Pesta itu mulai jam 8. But do need help, tetapi betul-betul butuh bantuan. Ada kata do di sini menyatakan penekanan. Penekanan butuh bantuan. With direction, penunjuk arah. Can you call restaurant? Bisakah kamu telepon restoran and ask them, dan tanya mereka where we park our car, di mana kita memarkirkan mobil kita. Oke? Lihat, it's a 7:15, itu sama dengan it's 15 minutes past 7. It's 7:15 minutes. Oke? A 7:15 sama dengan it's 15 minutes past 7 atau it's 7:15 minutes. It has a meaning. Don't worry, don't stress, we are fine, we will be on time. Rush hour itu jam sibuk. Next one. Telephone call. Hi Alice, it's John. How are you? Oh, hi John. I was just thinking about you. That's nice. I was wondering if you'd like to go to the movie tonight. Sure, I'd love to. What's playing? I was thinking about new comedy like Out. What do you think? Sounds great. I'll pick you up around 7:30. The movie starts at 8. See you then. Bye. Okay. Hi Alice. Hi Alice, it's John. Ini John. How are you? Apa kabar? Oh, hi John. I was just thinking about you. Saya baru saja mikirin kau. That's nice. Bagus. I was wondering if you like to go to movie tonight. Okay. Sure, I'd love to. Tentu saya suka. What's playing? Apa yang sedang main? I was thinking about new comedy. Saya sedang berpikir new comedy like Out. What do you think? Bagaimana menurut kau? Sounds great. Kedengarannya luar biasa. Kedengarannya bagus. I'll pick you up. Saya akan jemput kau around pada kira-kira jam 7:30. The movie start. Filmnya dimulai pada jam 8. See you then. Sampai jumpa. Bye-bye. Hi. Hello. Sama artinya. I was wondering if you'd like to. Itu artinya do you want to? Apakah kamu ingin? I was wondering if you'd like to. Do you want to? Ya, apakah kamu ingin? Sure, I'd love to. Tentu, saya suka. Yes, I would love to. Ya, saya suka. I was thinking about. Itu sama dengan what do you think? I was thinking about what do you think? Sounds great. Itu sama dengan that's good plan. Rencana yang bagus. Di dialog ini, sound great, that's good plan. Itu sama artinya. I will pick you up. I'll pick you up. I will come to your house so that we can go together. Oke? Bisa ulang lagi. Untuk di dialog ini, hi itu sama dengan hello. I was wondering if you'd like to. Itu sama dengan do you want to? Sure, I'd love to. Yes, I would love to. I was thinking about. Itu sama dengan what do you think? Sounds great. Sama dengan that's a good plan. I'll pick you up. Sama dengan I will come to your house that we can go together.